Hi, I'm Mufees Shaikh. I'm basically from Solahpur, which is in Maharashtra state. I'm graduated with BCA in 2018 from Solahpur University. After graduation, I started a new job in Mahindra Insurance Brokers Limited as a customer relationship executive. I worked with Mahindra for 2 years, and the profile was totally non-technical. And then, as I wanted to work in technical field, in September 2020, I joined Evision Technosoft. Evision Technosoft is an IT recruitment and consulting company. I joined Evision's online full-day job internship under the guidance of IT managers and administrators. With Evision, I've learned many technologies from basic to advanced. I've learned all the basic troubleshootings in systems like troubleshootings of system hanging issue, hardware issue, BSOD errors, black screen errors, beep sound errors. I also learned troubleshooting of errors which occurs in printers. I learned about installation and upgradation of Windows-based systems and servers. I learned about virtualization, which allows us to run multiple virtual computer operating system and applications on the same system, on the single system. And it is also useful for testing certain upgrades before deploying them on OS. Along with that, in client server architecture, I've learned about domain network, how to create a domain, how to manage IT resources, how to provide access to users within a domain network using Active Directory. I have a knowledge about Active Directory, its structure, infrastructure like tree, forest, schema, global catalog, FSMO role, LDAP, Kerberos. I know how to take backup of Active Directory and how to recover it. And in mailing system, mailing concept, I've learned about Outlook email client with the Exchange server. I learned configuration of Outlook account with POP and IMAP. I know how to take a backup of email. For this we have two folders, PST and OST, but most of the time we prefer to use PST with POP because data backup is easier. Along with that, I learned distribution list, global address list, and all other troubleshooting in Outlook. And to access device, we have to access device remotely. We have RDP, which can be only used in a local area network. But if you want to access device which is at a different location, we can have third-party tools like we have AnyDesk application. I also learned about FTP, file transfer protocol, which is used in the network for transferring files. In networking, I've learned all the basic networking concept like topology, which tells the structure of the network, the types of network, which tells how large and how much of an area the network covers. In topologies, we have star, bus, mesh, ring, and the types of network we have LAN, MAN, CAN, PAN, WAN. And I'm thorough with all the networking protocols. Some of the protocols are TCP, UDP, HTTP, HTTPS, DHCP, DNS, Telnet, Secure Shell, FTP. I know which protocol is used for which purpose and with which port number. Likewise, we have HTTP with port number 80 for transferring HTML file over the network, and we have HTTPS with port number 443 for secure transmission. Along with that, I also learned about all the networking devices like switch, hub, router. I know which device is used for which purpose. Like for simply we use a router to connect to different network. However, a router has many other features as well. And with this also I've learned MAC address, IP address concept, like 5 classes of IP address, API address, loopback address, and to utilize all the network address in the network properly, I've learned subnetting, VLAN trunking protocol, and I've done all this configuration, and I have implemented all these in a switch. Along with that, I'm thorough with the basic configuration in router, and in routing. Uh, I've learned about all the routing protocol like RIP, routing information protocol, OSPF, EIGRP, and I've done all this configuration and implementation in a router. And along with that, I also learned about security. Like for security purpose, we use firewall, virtual private network, and to monitor network, we have a proxy server. And also learned access control list, NAT, PAD, and I also learned about cloud computing services. Now these days, companies are using cloud computing services like Microsoft Office 365, Amazon Cloud Services, Microsoft Azure. I've learned about Office 365, which is a software as a solution by Microsoft in collaboration with Microsoft Cloud Services, which Office 365 provides all the Office suite features. Along with it also provides Microsoft Exchange. It also provides Exchange Server, a publisher, planner, and I also learned about all the cabling methods, which tells uh, a particular device can be connected to which kind of device. Let's say we have a straight through cable which is used to connect dissimilar devices. We have crossover cable which is used to connect similar devices. We have a rollover cable which is mostly used to configure networking devices by connecting to its port, console port. With this, also the lastly is ITIL, Information Technology Infrastructure Library, which tells how effectively we can manage and provide IT services. With this, I'm confident that I will work efficiently. I can give my level best. I can give my 100% in the working profile, and I believe that if I would get selected, I will learn new skills as well. Thank you so much.